Hi everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Hey, hi, hello, thank you so much for joining me. Okay, I have no idea what I'm going to title this video, but I have been keeping a secret and I have big news to share, and that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. We're also going to take like a little stroll down memory lane and talk about what's to come on this channel. So if you're new here, new to me, hi, hello. I started this channel either in 2013 or 2014. I honestly cannot remember the exact date. I've been card making now for 15 years. I've been on YouTube making cards now for over a decade. And all of that kind of came to a screeching halt in 2025. So on May 23rd, 2025, I had a C2 to T2 fusion. So literally here to the middle of my shoulder blades. My hair is growing back in. I did manage to shave my head before surgery, and I've shaved it a couple of times afterward, and then I decided to grow it back in. I think it's going to come in curly, which is fun. It's not coming in any thicker, but at least it's coming back in, right? So one of my biggest fears and biggest concerns going into that surgery was whether or not I would be able to make cards again, because I have very limited mobility. This is as far as I can look up. That's as far as I can look down. That's as far as I can look to the left. And that's as far as I can look to the right. Very, very, very limited mobility. And even my surgeon wasn't sure what I would or would not be able to do after surgery. So I've posted a few times since then. Most of that had been, you know, updates and me coming home from the hospital and all of that stuff. And then I did a crafty D-stash, and I really had hoped to do a holiday card series last year, and unfortunately I didn't get an opportunity to do that. But I did get an opportunity to make a card, and I've said in the past couple videos I've made one card since surgery. And I'm excited to announce that that card is this one. It says, "I'm sorry," and then on the inside it says, "I axolotly forgot your birthday." So I am so excited and so proud and privileged to be a speaker at the Card Maker Success Summit. This starts on the 26th of February. I am filming this whatever day Friday is. I meant to film this earlier, but I've been in physical therapy, and anyone who's gone through physical therapy knows just how draining that can be and how uncomfortable that can be. So I haven't had the energy or the mobility to sit down and film this video, but I wanted to today because I'm so stinking excited and just proud. And this was the only card I made in 2025, I think. Maybe I made some in the spring, like early January. I honestly don't remember. I feel like 2025 is like a blur, and I don't remember a whole lot of it. I just remember that Brandy from Stamp Me Some Love reached out and said, "Hey, are you crafting again?" And I was like, "Not yet, but I really want to try." And this was the card that did it. So the Card Maker Success Summit is a 4-day event. Let me see, I believe it starts on February 26th, whatever that day is. And it goes through the weekend. So it's absolutely free. I'm going to have a link down below. You can get a free ticket to the summit. You will have an opportunity to upgrade to like VIP. So the difference between the two is when you do VIP, you get lifetime access. So you can watch the videos as soon as now or come back to them over and over and over again. When you do the free summit, the free ticket, you only have access to those videos for the first 24 hours. So, but it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. And if you use my link to get your ticket, you're going to get an email with, I don't remember what the freebie is from me, but it's separate from the freebie that you're going to get when you're in the actual summit. So along with that, so let's back up. So I created this card. I'm going to be sharing with you how I colored it, etc. I can't remember if I showed how I created it. I may not have had time, but I designed this card. I took all of the little pieces and put it together, printed it out, and then colored it using my Copic markers in the video. So my class session, etc., is going to be sharing with you how I color for card making, not how I color to have perfect shadows, etc., like that. How I color for card making, and this is the card we're going to make together. When you attend the summit, you're going to get this freebie from me. So it is the card front line art and then the inside with the line art. Don't mind this. I wrote my dates on it so I didn't forget. So this is available only for those of you who attend the summit. And again, it's absolutely free. You will have an opportunity to get this if you get a free ticket. So there are, I believe, 24, 25 speakers this year. And there's all sorts of cards and all sorts of freebies, etc. So there will be an opportunity for you to watch several different classes, learn different techniques. I learned a lot from those classes. I think I did in my cards for the fall summit, the Christmas summit. I used a technique I learned in the previous summit on those cards, because even though I've been crafting 15 years, even though I've been on YouTube now for 12 years, and I don't consider myself an expert, but I'm someone who is not new, right, to stamping, I still learn stuff every single day. So I am so just, you guys don't understand. I wish I could tell you. I mean, some of you probably understand. Like, you go through a whole plethora of things when you lose your mobility. I became disabled in the fall of 2016. I had a full-time job. My husband and I were, planning a trip to Disney World. Like, we were doing all of these things, and all of that came to a screeching halt. And one thing that has stayed with me has been card making, has been stamping, has been all of this. And to lose that for a little while and potentially lose that forever, I worked with it with my therapist, you guys. Like, it took me forever. Like, I did the very last minute to do this card, and she's like, "Why are you procrastinating?" And I said, "Because I am scared." And she said, "Of what?" I said, "I'm scared I'm not going to be able to do it." She's like, "But what if you can?" And so I did. And I love a good pun. You guys know I'm someone that is big into critters. I have a Hello Bluebird haul to share with you guys. I filmed back in December, and then I have another bit to share with you later in the next couple of weeks. But I absolutely love how this little one turned out. And again, you can get your free ticket, and you will have an opportunity to get this card front. It says for personal use only. And then on February the 26th at 3:30 Eastern, which is 2:30 Central, 1:30 Mountain, and noon, 12:30 Pacific, I think, I'm going to have a live Q&A. So you can come into chat and ask me questions, or just say hi, or if you just want to come support me, I would really appreciate it. And again, that is February 20th. I'm going to have all the information down below. There's going to be a link to my live stream for when it goes live. If you sign up for VIP access, I do make a small commission. So thank you to those of you who do decide to do the VIP. It is absolutely worth it. Like, if I weren't a speaker, I would be someone who paid for VIP access, because there's just a plethora of information, etc. But I understand the economy that we're in right now. So if you could only do a free ticket, that's fine. It's still supporting me, and I really do appreciate you. So going forward, this is my 685th video, I think. Yes, over almost 2,000 videos. We'll be there in a couple of years to 2,000 videos. And I thought it would be fun to do a countdown to 1,700. So if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing. The next video is going to be a haul. I picked up some things from Michelle. She had some clearly besotted stuff that I was really interested in, so I bought that from her. I picked up a couple of things from the Hello Bluebird Christmas and winter release, and then Linda helped me get some items from the Valentine's Day release. So I have all of that to share with you guys. As far as card making, it is my sincere hope to get back either around spring break or right after spring break. I am currently working on putting my craft room back together. I have completely changed out my decor to strawberry shortcake. These are my newest pieces. Aren't they cute? They're Easter. Oh, love it. And then I have some new ones. I'll insert a video. I'm going to do a tour at some point of the craft room because I have changed a lot of it. Not like layout, but like decor wise. We are very special up in this craft room. Okay. So it has been in disarray. And then I bought a new marker storage from Organize More. And if you ever purchase from them, it takes a couple of weeks. So I got that the other day, and now I'm ready to put my desk back together and hopefully the rest of my craft room back together. And then I feel like I will be able to get back to making cards, and I want us to count down to 1,700 videos. We'll have a big giveaway. We will do all of the things. Give me some ideas of something that you would like to see, etc. So yeah, that's a lot of talky, but TLDR, I am a part of the Card Maker Success Summit. I created this card and this download for those of you who attend. You can attend free. If you use my link in the description box down below, you will get a freebie from me that is separate from the Card Maker Success Summit. This is just a freebie for me saying, hey, thank you so much for using my link to attend the summit. Free ticket. Gets you 24-hour access, and I believe it starts on Wednesday or Thursday, whatever day the 26th is. I think I'm on the first day. I will pop up some images that will show you better because my memory is shot. I'm just sitting here going, why didn't I write all of it down? But I'm pretty sure it starts on the 26th. But again, I'll insert some graphics so you can see my beautiful face with my pink outfit. I love the headshot that I had. It was for when I was really bald. So we'll get another one at some point eventually. But yeah, I really, really loved how that turned out. And so, yeah, I mean, I made that card and it's just been, it was such a relief. Unfortunately, I've had some setbacks. Again, I've attended PT, etc. But I am feeling better, and I feel like once I get my craft room back together, I'm looking over here because this is where the mess is. Once I get everything back together and put back in its place, then I will be able to take a breath and kind of get back into crafting. Speaking of that, if you are in the DFW area, I'm selling like my card boxes. I'm selling some art and stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, just let me know. I've got it real cheap, like 16 of the regular photo boxes and 14 of the small photo boxes. I want $35 for. Like, I just need it out of the house. My husband is getting really antsy because it's in our dining room. So if you're interested in any of that, just let me know. And again, if you use my link to sign up for the summit, you're going to get a freebie. And if you use my link and you purchase VIP Pass, then I am going to get a small commission for that. So thank you very much. Again, I appreciate those of you who've hung around. There are some of you who've been with me from the very beginning. There are some of you who've been with me since I became disabled and all of that, what that entailed. So now that we're 9 months out from surgery, I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling more like myself. And I can't tell you how ready I am to get back to crafting. So I don't know when we'll hit 1,700. I'm not going to promise you the exact date that we're going to start making cards again, but cards and planning are coming. I need to set up my bullet journal so I can track everything that I talked about that I wanted to do in 2026. So from the bottom of my heart, I have no words for your support and how much that means to me. It's been a rough go, but I am feeling much more positive. I feel like I'm in a much better place, and I'm so excited to chat with you guys on the 26th. So thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. Everything is listed in the description box down below. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.